Another aspect of work that we will be integrating into our classrooms is technology. As you all know, we've all been in this situation where we've had a problem with our iPad or with our computer, and our 10-year-old has walked up and said, "Oh, I can fix that." What this tells me is that we no longer need to do computer classes like we did before. Right now, what we need to do is to teach students how to use those computers, how to use programs in specific situations. So what we're planning on doing at AIA is to fully integrate technology use into the classroom so that while students are working on projects and trying to figure out ways to share their results with their colleagues and with their parents, that our computer people be there beside them saying, "Oh, have you thought about doing it this way? Have you thought about using this program? Let me show you how to use it." We feel that that will be a much more practical way for students to get a broader experience with computers and technology. Another thing that we're planning on doing at AIA is we're going to put a heavy emphasis on coding. Coding will be a large emphasis in our program because we are now at a point with students where they need to be able to function on both sides of the screen. Not only do they need to be able to use the programs that exist and solve problems with those, but they also need to be able to create programs, to be able to create animation, to do things that only coding will allow them to do. So we plan on starting to teach coding in kindergarten. We're going to start at a very early age, and our hope is that by the time students have been with us a few years, that they're very good at coding. This is an important aspect of technology that we are not going to leave by the side.